I'm Brandon. I'm one of the founders and the engineer behind the Kraken Electrical System. Uh, this is a system that we've developed out of an obvious need in the industry to be able to rapidly upfit vehicles with different accessories. Through conversations with my friend Eric and I, that there's a significant need in the market for the ability to upfit vehicles more readily, accessibly, and safely. We specifically engineered an ecosystem of harnesses and enclosures for the best in breed controllers that are on the market to be able to rapidly add accessories and change accessories on your overlanding and off-road vehicle builds. So what we have here is an electrical ecosystem that's built around the core unit here. It incorporates the best on the market devices such as the Switch Pros, the Garmin Power Switch, and we're working with some of the other best in breed controllers on the market to expand that capability even further. The core unit is designed to mount to the battery directly with a vehicle specific mount. It takes the power from the battery, power and ground connection only, isolating the entire ecosystem from your vehicle's electrical system and adding capability to it. So from there, we can expand the capability from the 4 circuits that we have in the core, which is really intended to be the front of the vehicle circuits like bumper lights, A-pillar lights, other accessories that you might have in the engine bay or the front of the vehicle. And we extend that through an optional tether to a remote unit that you can mount in the rear of your vehicle. This is for things like the refrigerator that I have wired up here or other accessories that you might want in the bed. Now, this can be mounted either to the side of the bed directly, or if you have a bed rack, it can be mounted directly to that. Or if you have a tray bed or a camper, you can install it there. The nice part about this is it has an optional secondary control for the Switch Pros in this case. So if you have lights and things in the rear of your vehicle, you can control them directly from that point. The wiring that you see for the Kraken Electrical System is aerospace grade, mil-spec wiring with very robust overbraid, and it's gauged appropriately for the full rated capacity of the Switch Pros, all of the circuits. So you never have to worry about installing an accessory that's going to draw too much power through those cables and have them get hot. One of the main reasons we developed the ecosystem this way is to ensure that your installation is as safe as it can possibly be. The last thing that you want is hot wires under your vehicle when you're driving over dry grass or camped in a rural area. So the Kraken Electrical System is very easy to install. It has a vehicle-specific mount for your vehicle that the core unit bolts to, and that mount rigidly attaches it to your vehicle. Then it's a simple power and ground connection, and we've even connectorized the trigger wires, which enable the functionality of the Switch Pros. So there's really no custom wiring involved. Everything is plug and play. And then moving to the rear of the vehicle, if you have the optional remote, it's as simple as using the 4 holes on the bottom of the remote unit to attach it to a custom bracket or even directly to the wall of your tray or camper. So connecting your accessory is as simple as attaching a generic zone cable to either the core or the remote unit and routing it to the area where you have your accessory installed, and then connecting the accessory specific cable to the end of that zone cable. Now you have a very easy way to swap accessories in and out. So connected here, we have a Kraken Electrical System power port, which is a custom enclosure incorporating a Baja Designs dome light, as well as a 5-volt connection for USB and a 12-volt connection. You can use your off-the-shelf connection for your refrigerator into that port if you desire. So when I built up my first overlanding vehicle, I wired it all myself, and it was very difficult. The number of times that I shorted things out as I was learning this process was significant. Thanks to forums and threads on the internet, I muddled my way through. But if I had had a system like this at that time, it would have been far, far easier. So the Kraken Electrical System, because it's plug and play, because the wiring is robust and you can trust it, allows you to get out there and focus on your adventure.